Attention! I did not know an abused animal could be my neighbor's dog or my friend's cat that I like playing with every time we meet. During my childhood, I would see a dog in the street so unhealthy or uncared for that it never registered in my mind that it was abandoned. Alexander Rubenja, a researcher and content writer, estimated that about 100 million animals suffer cruelty every year. And in Sentient Media also reported that more than 115 million animals, such as cats, dogs, and birds, are killed annually. Most of these cases are believed in Asian countries because the region is short of laws to protect animals. The need, according to Sentient Media, a non-profit organization that focuses on animal industry, thousands of animal cruelty cases are reported daily. Sentient Media claims that animals abusers see animals as non-sentient beings, meaning with no emotions. Unfortunately, animal cruelty can be of many forms, but the abused animal is the same, and they all have feelings. Animals have feelings just as humans do. And some people abuse their animals unintentionally, matter of fact, because according to Human Society of the US, animal owners unintentionally deprive animals of their food, shelter, water, and their veterinarian needs. Lack of these basic needs causes many suffering to animals, and sometimes it can cause death. However, most animal abuses are deliberate, according to the Human Society of the US, the profit organization. Sometimes an animal owner can intentionally involve an animal in a fight, meaning Gelton, an author and editor. Dogfighting and cockfighting are the most common animal fights in the world. Animal abuse is linked to human violence. Many human killers are associated with animal torture or killing in childhood. The organization also reported that animal cruelty perpetrators are linked with crimes such as child or spouse abuse. Satisfaction. We need to build a culture where anonymously complaint can be reported animal cruelty cases. According to Human Society of the US, most successful hearings have identifiable witnesses and complaint. Unfortunately, some animal cases, witnesses do not want to be identified. Therefore, if any cases of anonymous complaints are successful, we will have many reported cases. People who see animals as emotionless beings should be educated that animals do have feelings. People who unintentionally abandon their animals should be educated how to take care of their animals. And animal welfare laws should be strengthening to control animal fights so that we know how to cater our animals and warn those who intentionally abuse their animals. Also, states' animal cruelty should consider laws like animal fighting as an illegal act. As the Human Society of the US, more countries should restrict how long animals like dogs are chained. According to the Four Paws International, we should report any suspense of violence to humans, as this might save a voiceless animal unheard. Imagine a street or town without a stranded dog or abandoned animals, and pets are treated as sentient beings, meaning just like humans. Would that not be the best place in the world? There will be no abuse or abandoned dog, cats, or any other animal in the street. Less or no abused animal means no or less domestic violence, because the two types of violence are linked to each other. Eradicating animal cruelty will create a safe and peaceful society for both animals and people. So please, let us take action. The Four Paws International is a nonprofit animal welfare organization that uses financial donation and has very talented volunteers. The organization has offices in 10 countries and runs projects globally. They have rescued wild animals such as bears, monkeys, elephants, and lions, and they are also rescuing domestic animals and pets such as dogs, cats, and donkeys. Therefore, each one of you should look for Four Paws International offices and register as a volunteer to help the organization realize its vision. If you wish to donate or register as a volunteer worker at the Four Paws International, all you have to do is go online and click www.fourpaws.org. Find the option to the type of assistance you want to offer and look for the information about an operation happening near you. There are many channels through which one can work with this organization, and I have done personally that as a digital dog trainer. And the more you volunteer or donate, the happier you become with your life than those who do not volunteer. And for together we shall create a peaceful world where people respect and appreciate the presence of animals. Thank you.